Welcome to the informational presentation on the Hydrological Instrumentation Research and Operations Chief Job Opportunity in the United States Geological Survey's Water Resources Mission Area. This presentation will cover information on the USGS Water Resources Mission Area, this exciting job opportunity, the salary and benefits that come with the position, and how to apply for the position using USA Jobs. Our commitment to diversity and inclusion. We are committed to creating a diverse and inclusive workplace where all employees feel valued and have the support they need to thrive. We believe that a diverse team brings a wide range of perspectives, experiences, and ideas that drive innovation and improve our ability to deliver cutting-edge science. We encourage applicants from all backgrounds, including those from underrepresented groups, to apply. The USGS Water Resources Mission Area, or WMA. Water information is fundamental to national and local economic well-being, protection of life and property, and effective management of the nation's water resources. The USGS Water Resources Mission Area works with partners to monitor, assess, conduct targeted research, and deliver information on a wide range of water resources and conditions, including stream flow, groundwater, water quality, and water use and availability. About the opportunity. Exciting opportunity to stand up a new research and operations facility. Supports the Next Generation Water Observing Systems, or NGWAS, program to provide high-fidelity, real-time data on water quantity and quality to support modern water prediction and decision support systems for water emergencies and daily water operations. This position is an exciting opportunity to manage a new state-of-the-art building designed to support hydrologic instrumentation research, instrument provisioning to USGS offices and federal agencies, and hands-on training in the use of those instruments. These activities support the water measurement activities of the USGS and the Next Generation Water Observing System program. About the responsibilities. Manage and oversee research and operations at a new 92,000 square foot hydrologic instrumentation facility, HIF 2.0. Manage instrumentation provisioning and testing operation with an annual gross budget of $36 million, with 35 to 40 staff. Develop a cutting-edge research program for a new generation of hydrologic instrumentation. Collaborate with University of Alabama and other academic and federal institutions and industry to build research partnerships. You will also have supervision and oversight of 35 to 40 staff. Duty Station. New Hydrologic Instrumentation Facility, HIF 2.0 at University of Alabama. The new facility is located on the University of Alabama campus and will complement other federal and academic activities located on the campus. The campus hosts NOAA's National Water Center and the University of Alabama's Alabama Water Institute. HIF 2.0 functions and capabilities. 5 capabilities are planned for the new facility. This position will directly manage 3 of the 5: provisioning, equipment servicing calibrations and evaluations, and sensor innovation. It will play a key role in the implementation of training and water network operations capabilities at the new facility. We anticipate that other activities may be added in the future in support of new collaboration opportunities. February 2024, nearing completion. The new facility is rapidly approaching completion. The pictures shown on screen were taken in February. We anticipate being able to start occupancy of the new building in mid to late June. First floor. The first floor of the building, starting counterclockwise from the top right, include the warehouse, electronics and fabrications shops, water quality and pressure testing shops that also includes a large temperature testing chamber, training spaces that include a laboratory room that support hands-on training with water quality equipment, and a large stadium seating area, the network operations center, and the hydraulic lab. A storm shelter is located in the first floor corridor between the warehouse and the hydraulics lab. Second floor. The second floor of the new building includes the office space for staff, 2 training rooms, one that supports hands-on electronics teaching, and a traditional classroom space and a studio for video recording and editing for training that is located adjacent to the training room. Overall, the building has space to house about 80 staff. The hydraulics laboratory has 350-foot long tow tank, a 24-foot by 100-foot test basin with wave generator, and a 250-foot long tilting flume with sediment feed capability that is also pictured in the bottom center photo. Overall, the lab has 500,000 gallons of water storage. It will also have an 80 CP tank for testing acoustic velocity instruments. The warehouse has almost 10,000 square feet of warehouse space. There is a large break room with kitchen area for staff and supporting events. The large walk-in temperature chamber has a range of -40 to plus 140 degrees Celsius. Research Partnerships Development. The National Water Center. Deliver new generation of water information and services in partnership with other federal agencies. Cooperative Institute for Research to Operations in Hydrology. NOAA and University of Alabama partnership in a national consortium committed to advancing water prediction and building community resilience to water-related challenges. University of Alabama, Alabama Water Institute. Basic and applied research in earth systems science and water resource management. The University of Alabama location creates opportunities for this position to develop research partnerships with groups on campus, including NOAA's National Water Center, the Cooperative Institute for Research to Operations in Hydrology, and the University of Alabama's Alabama Water Institute. The location creates significant gravitation pull for recruiting scientists and students, growing research opportunities, and building an instrument innovation hub. About the position: Supervisory Physical Scientist, GS 15, of a salary of $143,736 to $186,854, located on the University of Alabama campus at Tuscaloosa. Relocation expenses are authorized, which includes house hunting, moving expenses for household goods, and house closing costs. Recruitment incentives may be offered. Position is required to travel 1 to 2 weeks per month, depending on work demands. The ideal candidate: strong technical communication and management skills, extensive knowledge of instrumentation technologies relevant to water observations of quantity and quality, substantial business acumen to oversee instrument provisioning activities of accounting, contracting, logistics, and supply chain management, ability to develop new, innovative research programs and collaborations with funding partners. Physical Scientist. The Physical Science series has a positive education requirement. Please refer to the links provided in the description of this video for additional information. Specialized experience. To find specialized experience that is required for this role, review the job requirements, then qualifications section for the job announcement. Calculating the value of the job. Benefits. Position include health and life insurance, 5% retirement match, 11 federal holidays, 13 sick days plus 13 vacation days per year, paid parental leave, and accrual of federal service to count towards a pension, typically an additive 1% of the average of your highest 3 years of salary for each year of service. Intangibles. If the mission of public service towards advancing environmental science and data delivery resonates with you, there will be no shortage of energy and motivation available when working with great colleagues on these challenges. Likewise, a flexible schedule and emphasis on work-life balance are important components to work at the USGS. How to apply. The position will formally be announced on usajobs.gov. We recommend potential applicants create profiles within USA Jobs and set up their accounts to receive alerts for new job postings. Applicants that meet the education and specialized experience requirements will be able to move forward to the secondary assessment. The secondary assessment will be sent to applicants after HR has confirmed all announcement requirements have been met. Please review the informational flyer on federal resumes. The job announcement is expected to open to applicants in early May 2024. The job will be formally announced on USA Jobs, and you will need to apply for the position on the usajobs.gov site. To apply, you'll need a resume, educational transcripts, and any additional documentation linked in the USA Jobs vacancy announcement. Unofficial transcripts are okay for the application. If selected, you will be required to provide official transcripts. Next steps. Learn more about the application process by visiting USA Jobs Help Center. How does the job application process work? Learn about the required documents by visiting USA Jobs Help Center. What types of documents might I need to provide? Create an application in USA Jobs by visiting USA Jobs Help Center. How to create an application. Then apply. Check USA Jobs to see if the announcement has opened if you did not set up your account for alerts. Once your application has been submitted, you can also check the status in USA Jobs. Have questions? Contact Janice Fulford by emailing jfulford@usgs.gov or contact Nate Booth by emailing nlbooth@usgs.gov. Thank you for your interest in the Hydrologic Instrumentation Research and Operations Chief position. We hope that if this position meets your qualifications and career goals, that you will apply when the job is announced in USA Jobs. Thank you for watching this presentation.